Hi, it's WWE superstar Jerry the King Lawler, and you're listening or tuned into DJ Delz. DJ Delz.
All right, we got that wrestling club for the month of October, which is supposed to be Halloween themed. I thought that'd be fun, and they did a little bit of a poll, I'm pretty sure. I didn't pick Halloween themed because of the fact that I felt like it was going to limit what the box was going to be, and I think this is going to be a huge hit or a huge miss when it comes to subscribers, depending on if you're into what they're sending. So we shall see. And this is, I think, my 5th box I've got from them. I'll put a playlist to all the other ones. I've been pretty happy with them. I mean, to be honest with you, what drew me to this company, this brand, was that they were doing autographed Funko Pops. Like, I got the Scott Hall one, which I love. It's one of my favorite Funko Pops. And even the ones that aren't autographed, like, I'm a huge Funko Pop guy, as you can see. So I kept going with it, even though there's no autographed Funko Pops for this month, just because I'm a fan of that, and I love wrestling. If you're new to the channel, everything's coming out. If you're new to the channel, I have tons of content interviewing a lot of wrestlers, like Matt Hardy with the whole broken gimmick, Jake the Snake Roberts, to Tommy Dreamer, to TJ Perkins. There's tons of wrestling content on this channel, so make sure to check it out. So I'm noticing right off the bat Marty Scurll, and I gotta say, there's no Funko Pop. That's a little disappointing, because as I said, that's like part of the reason why I still was rocking with them, you know, and hoping they'd get back to the autographed Funko Pops. But there's no, there's no Funko Pop. That sucks, man. And I hate saying something sucks, because I don't want to do that, you know, because I actually like these guys. I think they're pretty awesome. But I'm a little disappointed right now. This is the shirt, which looks really nice, I must say. A Marty Scurll shirt. It's like the Headless Horseman. It says All Villains Eve. I love the actual color here. It's like a peach. And this is a nice shirt. It is a nice shirt. So I will give him that. This is a pretty awesome shirt. Maybe I'll wear it for Halloween. Comes with a bag of candy. That's cute, you know. They got this Aleister Black artwork right here. This print, which is cool. I mean, I'm not that crazy about these kind of prints. That's just me. I mean, I appreciate the artwork, but I'd like to see like this kind of artwork on like a t-shirt or something like that. I always just give this away. That's what I do every single month with these. You have your pin of the month, which is Asuka with like this Asuka style Jason mask. And then you got like the blood dripping down. It's an awesome pin for the holidays. I think that, you know, the package, they're doing a good job with it. The theme, I like the whole theme and everything like that, definitely. My favorite pin still is the Jericho pin. That's my favorite one. The Asuka one, I'm honestly just going to give to my daughter, because my daughter loves Asuka. I don't know which one to give it to, because they both love Asuka so damn much. And then we got Finn Balor, the zombie figure, which I'm just really don't care for this. I hate that I feel this way, but I really don't care for this. I'm not like really crazy about this right here. Oh wow, they got Matt Hardy and Jeff Hardy. I'm a huge Matt and Jeff Hardy fan. Like, I love these dudes, so I definitely would like to get this. But I'm not the biggest collector when it comes to figures, and I wish like they did like autographed figures, like had this autographed instead of the 8x10s. I'm not really that crazy about 8x10s. Like last month they did a dual autograph. I think I have it right here. Give me 1 second. Yep. This was last month. They gave you 2 autographs. I'm not the biggest fan of this dude, but it's a cool autograph. And, you know, I feel like she may have a great career, but right now I'm not like a huge fan of her. And I'm just not an 8x10 collector. I'm not into that. I like things like figures being autographed. So, you know, I think I may pass next month, and honestly, I wanted to pass this month, but they charged me before I even got the chance to pass. I really wasn't even going to order this month, to be honest with you guys, because I found out it wasn't going to be an autographed Funko Pop, and I was kind of like, I don't want another 8x10. Papa Shango. Now this guy is awesome, man. Like, if you ever get the chance to meet him, he is really, really cool. I mean, I doubt you'll get the chance to see him as Papa Shango. I know sometimes at wrestling events, he does go as Papa Shango, or sometimes I've heard he even does like half day Papa Shango, half day he'll do the Godfather. But yeah, a real cool autograph. And I actually have a figure, a 2-pack figure of Ultimate Warrior and Papa Shango that I wanted to get autographed by him, by Papa Shango. And, you know, as I said, like, this is cool, you know, because it fits with the whole Halloween box. And a lot of people are going to like this box because it's a lot of fun, you know. You got a lot of Halloween kind of stuff going on as we go through it all, like the pin, Halloween vibe, and then you got Papa Shango, you got the candy, you've got the shirt, of course, and you also have the figure right there. But, you know, to me, I don't see this being worth it to me. Like, paying $44 total it cost, give or take. I would have rather spent $44 on something else. And that's the thing about these boxes. You don't know what you're going to get, so it's like a roll of the dice. I really am disappointed it didn't come with a pop this month. But I feel like a lot of people are going to love what's in this box. I'm a picky guy, you know? I'm just a damn picky guy. And I want what I want. And I don't collect just all kinds of WWE memorabilia. That's just not me. A lot of people do. I collect select stuff. I'll collect autographed Funko Pop and autographed items like a damn 2x4 signed by Hacksaw Jim Duggan. I got Mick Foley's Sacco. He autographed and drew for me. I actually have a video of that, a vlog, over in New York at the Pro Wrestling Hall of Fame, which no longer is over there, sadly. 8x10s is just so simple to me. And, I just don't appreciate 8x10s. I just don't. I do think this is a great company, though. I want to come off like I'm shitting on the company. I'm just giving my thoughts on this right here. And they started doing the autographed Funko Pops. The shit, like, blew up. Like, people went crazy. Braun Strowman Funko Pop. Like, I would have loved to have a Braun Strowman autographed Funko Pop. But, you know, November's coming. Who knows if they're going to do an autographed Funko. It probably won't. I mean, even if they had a figure, I would have appreciated that. Like, if they had this figure autographed, that would be great. So, like, what I would like from this company in the future for me to continue with them is items autographed. You know, not 8x10s. I really don't like 8x10s. I just don't. And there's just not that much excitement for 8x10s versus this. That's my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you thought of the SmackDown 1000 episode yesterday. I love what Batista said. I thought that it was fantastic. After the whole situation with Triple H, they kind of like split in half in the ring. And I felt like maybe we're going to see like Triple H attack Batista at one point or vice versa. But that didn't happen, and I like that it didn't happen. It was kind of suspenseful. I know I was on the edge of my seat waiting, like, because WWE is so predictable at times, so I thought maybe that, you know, it was going to be a given. You would see Triple H just kick Batista, cheap shot him, hit him with the pedigree, and then, you know, we'd see in the future that match. But I think down the line, I predict WrestleMania, we will have Batista versus Triple H. I think that's going to happen. Also, I was really disappointed The Rock wasn't there. He didn't have to physically be there, but at least have some sort of video, you know, cutting some sort of promo. SmackDown was named after the damn Rock, and he wasn't even there. Dwayne Johnson was not at SmackDown 1000. To me, that was really strange to me. With technology, you could have just shot something with your damn iPhone, or whatever phone you use. Nada. No Rock. Just a post of him on Twitter writing something they had on the damn show. So that was highly, highly disappointing. It was fun seeing Mr. McMahon on SmackDown. That was dope to see him. But, You know, it had some points of the show which were kind of just a Z-fest, I will say that. But definitely really surprised that we did not get The Rock at SmackDown 1000. Maybe there's something going on with WWE and The Rock, because he wasn't even at the damn Raw 25. That was really strange. Leave your comments, leave your thoughts. A lot going on too with the Saudi Arabia pay-per-view, the Crown Jewel. Let me know your thoughts on that. Do you feel like WWE needs to back off from there? Do you think they will? Do you think they will not? Leave all that in the comments. I do have a podcast every single week over at patreon.com/DJ Delz with Q&A and a monthly giveaway. So if you like this kind of talk, you'll love my podcast. Give it a shot for a month. Patreon.com/DJ Delz. And we out.